The next question, question number 25, same topic, chapter number 2, treatment of reserve and accumulated profit where there is change in profit sharing ratio. While before this video we have to be discuss about how to distribute the profit while it can be shown in the balance sheet at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. So in this there is a distribution of loss. That loss is shown at the asset side of the balance sheet, which is distributed to partners capital account or current account. So we have to take the question number 25 of DK Goyal book. This is question number 25. In this question we have to be A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1:2:3. So the 1:2:3, it means the old ratio is 1:2:3 or 3:5 or 1/6. It means the A share is 1/6, B share is 2/6 and C share is 3/6. From 1st April 2016 they decided to share in the profit sharing ratio 2:3:4. So the new ratio is 2:3:4, but this new ratio is not used in this problem. On that date, profit and loss disclosed on debit balance, while the debit balance of profit and loss shows at 90,000. So debit balance as per profit and loss, so it is a loss and that is 90,000, and this 90,000 is distributed in the old partners in old ratio while in the change of profit sharing ratio. So in this question this 90,000 is distributed between A, B and C in their old profit sharing ratio, which is 90,000. So 90,000, A share is 1/6, B share is 90,000 into 2/6 and C share is 90,000 into 3/6. 15 6 is 90. So 15,000, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45. This is the distribution of loss between A, B and C. So the journal entry pass at the time of profit we have debited profit and loss account, but in this there is a loss or debit balance given. So the journal entry is A's capital account debited, B's capital account debited, C's capital account debited to profit and loss account. So the loss is distributed. While A share is 15,000, so it is debited by 15,000, B is debited by 30,000 and C is debited by 45,000. So the total profit and loss is 90,000. So write the narration: transfer of undistributed loss on change in profit sharing ratio, old profit sharing ratio 1:2:3. So this loss is distributed while all the items which are to be shown in the balance sheet at the time of change in profit sharing ratio, they all are distributed in the old profit sharing ratio between the partners, while in liability side profit and loss, reserve are shown, which are distributed in the same way, and at the asset side loss, P&L loss or advertisement expenditure are shown. They are to be distributed in the same manner as the profit or loss, and they all are distributed in the old ratio. Thank you.